Ever lost a sale just because the Add to Cart button disappeared off screen? Let's fix that in seconds. With the sticky Add to Cart module from ShopLentor, the Add to Cart button follows your customers as they scroll, keeping buying just one click away at all times. Setup? Easy. Go to ShopLentor. Settings. Modules. Enable sticky Add to Cart. Customize everything. Button color, hover effect, border radius, and more. You don't need a single line of code. This tiny upgrade makes a massive difference. No more scrolling back to the top. Reduces friction and decision fatigue. Works beautifully on mobile. Cart updates instantly, no reloads. Fully responsive and branded your way. Stores using sticky Add to Cart buttons see higher engagement, faster checkouts, and more completed purchases. Why? Because the buy button is always right where it needs to be. Don't let your customers scroll away. Activate the sticky Add to Cart module in ShopLentor today. Keep buyers focused, speed up checkout, and boost conversions instantly.